Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start practical fixes now. Make sure Windows itself is current and you're signed into the Microsoft account used for store purchases. Once done, verify your network, switch to wired or disable VPN and proxy because connectivity often blocks updates. Then open Microsoft Store and go straight to Library. Hit Update All to test. If updates fail immediately, note the exact error code and proceed. Don't reboot yet. We'll clear caches and services, next to avoid repeating the same transient errors. Next, clear stateful bits that usually block downloads. Run wsreset, exe. It clears the store cache and relaunches the app, which often resolves stale manifests. Once that completes, restart Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Windows Update from Services. MSC so queued transfers reset. Then run the built-in Microsoft Store Apps Troubleshooter in Settings. Apply every recommended fix it suggests. These steps remove corrupted temp data and reset the client logic. If problems persist, re-register the store using PowerShell. Run Get Apps package for Microsoft. Windows Store and pipe add apps package to reattach packages. This repairs registration issues that wsreset can't fix. Also check disk space and run SFC, then dism to repair system files that block installs. Once done, sign back into Store and test updates. If nothing works, create a fresh local user or perform an in-place repair install as a last resort. If updates still fail, note the error and search specific codes. That directs targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.